So I've had a lot of people ask me how can I make a set on Brickhill, and it's a lot less complicated than you might think. Hosting's definitely the big challenge though, but there's this website that I'll get into the hosting part later, but there's this website that makes it so much easier. It's made by Noah Coolboy, who is a Brick Saint. And that's what I use. It's what I use to host my games. So you're going to click edit on your set. If you do not have a set already, you're going to want to click on sets up here, and then you're going to click create set. If you don't have membership, unfortunately, you can only create one set. So if you want to make multiple sets, you're going to have to buy membership. So you're going to want to click edit on your set, and it's going to launch the workshop. Um, so I'm going to make a new project. And this is the move tool. Well, this is the resize tool. This is the move tool, and this is the rotate tool. These are undo and redo buttons. They don't work, unfortunately. And this is save. This is copy, and this is paste. And you can also use keyboard shortcuts for this. Yeah. So and this is how you insert parts or bricks into the workspace. This is going to be the workspace you have. And this is going to be the base plate and sky and stuff. So this you can change the sky color. This you can change the ambient. I don't know what that does. If you want to change the base plate size, you can do this. But just a heads up, if you do change the base plate size, it will mess up some lighting. But to make it look close to what it looked like, you're going to want to change the sun intensity to a higher number. And then, I'm not going to go into how you can make teams, because I'm sure there's already a tutorial on that. If there isn't, I'll make a video on that. And just to let you know, the resize tools and the moving tools are very buggy and very glitchy. So hopefully in the new client, that will fix the problem. Yeah. So I'm just gonna insert a spawn. Where's the spawn? Okay, I'm just gonna do this. You're not allowed to host like base plates on Noah Coolboy service or whatever. So I'm just gonna do that. And if you want to delete a brick, you're gonna want to press delete on your keyboard. You're gonna want to select the brick and you're gonna want to press delete. Okay. And that's how you make the game. You're gonna want to click save on here. I'm gonna save it into documents. 1 second. I'm gonna get rid of this. This is what I had earlier, but I messed up and accidentally showed my hosting key, which I'll tell you about that later. So I'm just gonna make this test hosting 1. Okay, now we can click out of the workshop. And then there's this cool website that I'll link in the description. Brick-hosting.tk. I link this in the description. Okay, I'm gonna add a new game. And if it does ask you to log on, don't worry. It's gonna, all you need to do is enter a code that it wants you to enter into your blurb. And this is so you can't just host anybody else's games. Okay. So to get your hosting key, you're going to go to your set, and then you're going to want to click show hosting key. I'm not going to show this because if I do, anyone can host on this game. And if someone does end up getting your hosting key, you can just click new key. So yeah. So I'm just gonna pause. Okay, so after After you enter your hosting key and you have your game, click on your game on here. And then you're going to upload a map. Okay, where's my... Okay, upload map. Okay, test hosting 1. Okay, that's my map. If you want to upload any scripts, you can do this. This is like admin commands or whatever. You probably won't need this. But yeah. So here's the stuff. You can click start server. You can stop the server. You can restart server or force shutdown. So I'm just gonna start the server, and it should be started. I should be able to play this. Oh, it says offline. Server stopped. The server didn't serve. Let me start the server. Oh, okay. There must be 20 bricks. Okay, I need to edit this again. Okay, I made some updates to the game. So I'm gonna upload my map again. Okay, will it work? Okay, I don't know why it's not working. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this game and try again. Okay, so it worked. I'm just gonna click start server. It says server started. Oh, the host key is invalid. Whoops. Okay, let's see if it works this time. Okay. So it should be working now. I'm gonna take this down right after I upload it, so so I can play this now. It should work. Okay, so it works. Yeah, I can play my game. Anyone can play it now. Yeah, I'm gonna take this down right now. But hopefully that was helpful. You might wanna pause the video here and there. If it's a little confusing. But yeah, if you, there's a lot harder. If the way you host a game seems pretty hard, well, this is the easiest way to do it. You can use your own computer to host your game. Use your computer as a server, but like that might take up like computer like processing power or whatever, so it might slow down your computer or whatever. So I recommend using this because you don't. It's using their own servers to host your game. So yeah. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video. Yeah. And share it with others if you want to also. But yeah, bye.